So we just discussed the difference between supervised and unsupervised learning. We need to know that supervised learning is further of two kinds, regression and classification. The difference is quite simple. Classification means taking an input and mapping it to a discrete label. For example, given a picture, we have to classify whether it is of a cat or a dog. So we are given a picture, and given that picture, we have only two possible outputs. Either that picture can belong to the class cat or the picture can belong to a class dog. So basically we have to tell that the given input will belong to which of the possible output classes. And another example could be to predict whether two people on Facebook are friends or not. So for this example, input could be things like number of common friends. It could be like the place of the person 1, where he lives, place where person 2 lives, place where they go to school, etc. So these all are the input features. And again we have to predict either a yes or a no. Yes means that yes, those are the friends on Facebook, and no means those are not friends on Facebook. So basically classification is we are given a fixed number of discrete classes and we have to predict that given the input, to which of these discrete classes would this input belong to. In regression, it's more about predicting continuous values. For example, predicting the housing prices based on input features such as location of the house or size of the house, amenities in the house. So these could be the possible input features, and we have to predict the price of the house, and price of the house is a continuous variable. Another example could be to predict the rating of a restaurant based on the text reviews received by it. For example, if we have a restaurant and we have some text reviews given by the users on any platform, and we have to predict that what is the average rating received by this restaurant, and we know that the average rating could lie anywhere between 1 to 5, and it can be any decimal value. It can be, let's say, 1.45. The average rating could be 1.456. So since the predicted outcomes are continuous variables, this is another example of regression.